Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje ukhuluma umdlali la Orlando Pirates. Kodwa ke currently udlalelani udlalela eSikhukhune United. Kwabangamazi ke lo mdlali lo bafethu uTsepo Mashilwane. Yabo abantu abaningi bangitshela ukuthi pronounce kanjani igama lakhe but mina ngangilipronounce ngithi uTsepo Mashilwane. So lo mjida bafethu uyodlalela iBabina Noko kwiSikhukhune United uyodlala le eBulokwane bafethu. ISikhukhune United senza kahle currently. Njoba senza kahle nje currently izinto zihambela kahle number 1. Yabo. And Orlando Pirates lo mdlali lo uyamthenga isizini sasana kuqala imthenga kwiBaroka nomunye umdlali oqhamuka kwiBaroka okuHositsile semlone back to iBaroka uHositsile athola igame time athi ukudlala kangconywana mase siyambuyisa yabo. So lo mjida lo uTsepo Mashilwane, I remember was starter for Orlando Pirates. I think wadlala i-first game yakhe, he came on as a sub, and the second game yakhe wayiqala. Yabo. Many there were mixed reactions regarding yena umjida. I'm one of those fans who were not convinced when I saw Tsepo Mashilwane starting for Orlando Pirates, when I saw him playing for Orlando Pirates. One thing's first, Orlando Pirates sinama wing backs. If you can check ama right back nama left back Orlando Pirates awafani as ngizoyibeka kanjani just nama wing backs asinawo ama right back asinawo ama left back ngiyibeka kanjalo sinama left wing backs mase siba nama right wing backs. So when you look at a player like uTsepo Mashilwane lo mjida lo bafethu, he's a proper right back. Mwasubheke izinto ayizenza kulama games awadlala kulama minutes awathola for Orlando Pirates wayenza the basic things ezenziwa i-right back. Yabo, ngeke uzomblame kakhulu, wayenza nje into akumele ayenze, into yena eyamshaya for me. Mwase umcomparison noVan Rooyen, umcomparison noLibito, umcomparison noShando. You'd see the difference between the two players. You see the difference between yena nalabo badlali labo, because he was a replacement of Umonyane who was playing very very good kuyikona ukuthi wayeshawa ama injury. And when you look at that position Orlando Pirates vele ihlaselwa ama injury, yena akayi phambili kakhulu ayo eda ama numbers ashaya ama cross ashute. Yebo mase ubheke nje lama right wing backs engiwabalile most yawo ayakora, even uSibelebele is a right wing back and uyakwazi ukukora ephambili ayoshaya inqako. Yabo labo badlali bayakwazi ukukora phambili, but yena he doesn't have that. Second game yakhe I think wayidlala igame yonke, I think sadlala neMarumo Gallants if I'm not mistaken. He didn't go up front and add numbers and create something for his team compared to labajida laba bajolo ukudlala kuyiposition abeyidlala. And I think for me Orlando Pirates yenza iphuthe elikhulu ukuthi umjida imlethe imsayine iqede izomqalisa ama games bekhona abadlali abajolo ukudlala. For me kwamele umjida abuke ukuthi ku-Orlando Pirates kudingakalani. Culture yethu sidlala ama wing backs. Since way back we are playing with ama wing backs. Njoba yojoyina kodwa ke njengamanje isikhukhune for me ngingabili. Yabo ngingabili. I don't want him to go and join. I didn't want him to go. Ngasho ukuthi I don't want him to go. Usejoyinile vele but ke ukuyilona okwamanje. Yabo bengathanda ukuthi ahambe. The reason why bengathanda is because when you look at position lebeyidlala kuLorlando Pirates ihlaselwa kakhulu ama injury. Iqiniso nje leli limsula ihlasela ama injury. uVan Rooyen currently akekho. Libito is back and is playing very 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 good for Orlando Pirates. That guy uLibito, he owes us a season kuOrlando Pirates la injury free khona. He owes us a season with Orlando Pirates injury free because he plays so good for Orlando Pirates but his games mancane mfethu. Yabo I don't remember uLibito edlala ama games awu 10 games for Orlando Pirates engalimalanga. I don't remember uLibito bafethu. So he owes us. So njoba ekhona uLibito right now uVan Rooyen engekho, we have uShando and uNdlozi. And when you look at uNdlozi, he does need a game time. We dig a game time. But let's say kulimala bani na? Kulimala uba uVan Rooyen mase kulimala uLibito. Kujwayele ukwenzeka lokho, akusiyona nje into nje esingathuka. Yebo. Ayikho into akusiyona into engasithusa, sebalimala uba u2 vele. And sasiforce ukuthi sidlalise bani, sidlalise uShando. Let's say uShando akadlali kahle. Ubani ozoba nepressure ukuthi adlale? Ubani ozoba nepressure ukuthi aperform kule position? uSibelebele bengamdlalisa esi-right wing back. Bazofosa lentwana lo Ndlozi uthi iyodlala lapha. And ukudlala kwaNdlozi lapha and megadlala kahle uNdlozi uzoba ne-pressure from ama-fans. And ama-fans amaningi ayamthemba uNdlozi. Even I trust uNdlozi to play in that position. But akayitholi game time. The more engayitholi game time, the more umfana ezoba rusty. And masum-introducer usumfaka under pressure engadlali kahle ama-fans azomjikela. And ama-fans eOrlando Pirates nje thina into mesingayithandi asiyithandi, we voice out our frustrations yabo at the management ukuthi why wenza kanje lo mdlali lo ade agcina ukudlala why umdlalisa kanje. So umdedelo uTshepo Mashilona, for me it was a wrong decision. Umjida bemele bamgcine koLorlando Pirates, bam-introduce, bam-integrate, bam-understand i-system. I think i-system yena ubengayazi koLorlando Pirates yabo. I think mhlambe ukumlona engakaqali for Orlando Pirates bekuzoba right for yena, because mentally yabo uzocabanga ukuthi i-team ngayibozela isingilaxaza kanje yabo nje bese uyodlalela nje isikhukhune right now. Mentally angazi ucabangani yabo, angazi naye umuntu mfethu. I'm sure inento emdlayo ngaphakathi ukuthi hawu ma ngaboza mfethu ngithola ithuba elingaka ngiyodlalela Orlando Pirates ngisuka kwiBoroka kwi-FND ku-NFD yangilanda ku-NFD ngizodlala la kodwa ngaboza yabo. I'm sure naye ngaphakathi ushawile leyo nto. I feel like i-management yenza iphutha kakhulu ukuthi umjida imsayine imqalisa ama-games aboze ahlaliswe ebhenjini ku-introduce abanye abadlali mase beyamlona umjida fast kanjalo. No. That was really wrong. That was really wrong for i-management ukuthi ikwenze lokho. Ingikhumbuza lento eyenziwa kuGilberto. Yabona lento eyenziwa kuGilberto icishe ifane neyalo mjida. uGilberto naye wanikeza amathuba kanje, he didn't impress and he was loaned out to i-club iPetro de Luanda le ayidlalela. Right now uGilberto akabuyisha ukubuya. So mina, for me, umjida bekumele ahlale kwi-team because we are short of right backs. You can say we have Ushando and uNdlozi, but what if those two abadlali kahle? What if ukulimala oyedwa kubona? We have umdlalo oyedwa shoot because Nyamazi phela na Ushando une-history yama-injury. Ushando. Truth must be told. That position is cursed. I-right back position, right wing back Orlando Pirates, i-cursed. Lo mjida, he was supposed to be converted as a right wing back, being taught uku-attack phambili. Une-height mude, we need height back. Currently we have uSiyema, umdlali omude osinikeza i-height back. Siyema is the tallest defender currently. Yes, I hate Unda uyabuya uxoki currently akekho mnandi. uSiyema bezo-add leyo height mesiyodlala le Africa for me. Why semdedele eli kanje? Yes, bengasiyona i-right wing back but besomconverter. Hayi ngeke bafethu, mina ngokwami I'm not okay with le decision le. For me it was not a good decision. Ngangitshela wona ama-comments, do you think lento le kwakuyi decision e-right ukuthi umjida simdedele eli kanje, because kwakusa eli kakhulu simdedele Mashilwana.